Hello, everybody. Today we're going to go over Ohm's law calculations. So today we're going to specifically work with the V equals IR equation, and we're going to do some practice problems with that. So up above here, remember that voltage, current, and resistance make up Ohm's law. That voltage is the push on the electrons, the force that's pushing the electrons through a circuit. Current is how fast those electrons are moving, and then resistance is the amount of change or the resistance to the movement of those electrons. The variables are V, I, and R. We label voltage in volts, current in amps, and resistance in ohms. So we're going to do two practice problems, and then you guys are going to be on your way to be ready to rock and roll through the day. So the first one, we're going to start with number one here. What voltage is required to move 2 amps through 5 ohms? So we have a circuit with 2 amps of current and 5 ohms of resistance. I start identifying what I need to know. I need to know my voltage at the end of this. It tells me in the question that I have 2 amps of current and my resistance is 5 ohms. So I rewrite my equation, V equals IR. And the nice thing is it's already set up to solve for me. I'm solving for voltage. I don't need to do any rearranging. Plug it in. V equals I equals 2 amps, times my resistance of 5 ohms. 2 times 5 is equal to 10, right? And I know an amp times an ohm is a volt. That is my answer. Pretty easy types of problems. We've done lots of things like this. The other practice one we're going to do today is number 4. Number 4 says, what is the current in a 120 volt circuit if the resistance is 20 ohms? 120 volts is what comes out of a wall, so this is a really good one for us. So what is the current in a 120 volt circuit? Right away it tells me I have 120 volts. I'm looking for the current. It says right away what is the current, and my resistance is 20 ohms. I rewrite my equation, V equals IR, but I'm solving for current now. I need to get I all by itself on that side of the equation, so I'm going to divide both sides by resistance. And my new equation is voltage over resistance equals current. Now I'm set up to solve for the current. Then I will take my 120 volts divided by 20 ohms, and that's equal to my current. And 120 divided by 20 equals 6, and our unit for resistance are amps. If you have any questions on what you need to do for today or how to do some more practice problems with Ohm's law, please reach out to your teacher. Otherwise, have a fantastic day.